Can you invest in PGIm small cap mutual fund? This is a new NFO which is getting launched today, July 9th in the market. So hi, hello, this is Ganesh Santuru, your stock market profit coach, and I help you in multiplying your money by investing in stock market. And this is my book, One Page Stock Market Plan. If you're interested to know deep about stock market and invest by yourself, this book can help you, and link is provided in the description. Please don't forget to click the subscriber button so that you get continuous videos on stock market, mutual funds, insurance, and for creating unlimited wealth in your life. So today the topic is, can you invest in this new NFO which is getting launched? And all the funds are launching new NFOs, and this is a PGIm. It's a Previously it is called as DHFL Pramerica Mutual Fund, and this PGIm company has bought this mutual fund, and now it is called as PGIm India Mutual Fund, and this fund is launching PGIm India Small Cap Fund. Who is this PGIm? They are a US company, Prudential Financial House. It's a huge company, and they have $1.5 trillion assets under management across the world. That is the most important part. And they are the 10th largest asset management company in the world, and they are in India right now. And the funds, whatever they had invested earlier, it has been managed by DHFL earlier, and that has done extremely well. And purely it's an investment firm. That is the most important part. And remaining things like HDFC, ICICI, they are all other banks, insurance, and everything is combined. Whereas this PGIM is purely a investment asset management company. So that is the most interesting part. And they are launching up with a new small cap fund. What is the advantage is that they are saying they will get into the sectors where it has been untapped by large cap, meaning the companies didn't become large cap in sectors like chemicals, sugar, construction. All these are promising sectors which can become a large cap over a period of next 10 years, because if India needs to grow, we need to have a bigger construction firm, bigger sugar companies, like that. That is the belief they are having, and they are trying to find out those kind of companies, because if you find a small cap and if that company starts growing, and the market cap is increasing over a period of next 5 years, means for sure your portfolio is going to get huge benefit out of it, isn't it? Right? So that is the idea behind they are launching up this fund, and 65% of your money will be in small cap, and remaining will be in a combination of large and mid cap sectors. So that is how they are going to plan. And who can invest in this kind of fund? Almost like the people who can stay invested for 5 years or more, because as it is small cap, the risk is associated with it, and it's a high risk category, meaning very high risk, because in the span of 6 months or 1 year you may see negative returns or volatile. If small caps is out of favor, this fund may also not perform. So that is the reason they are saying invest with a horizon of 5 years or more. And how much you can invest in a lump sum mode? Minimum of 5,000 rupees you should invest if it's a lump sum in NFO, or in multiples of 1,000 rupees as an SIP. You can do the application, and it needs to be provided for 5 months. It means somehow you should pay 5,000 over a period of 5 months or at a time for investing in this mutual fund. And one more interesting part, the expense ratio. As usual, everybody asks, what is the expense ratio of this fund? Any fund which comes up, and including this fund, they are having an expense ratio of up to 2.25%. And along with the, if it is coming up from tier 2, tier 3 cities, the expense will be up to 0.30. So almost up to 2.25 to 2.6%. That is the expense ratio for the asset. If they are say mopping up to 500 crores, this is the expense ratio. And if they are reaching 750, it will come down to 2%. And if they are crossing 1,000 crores, the expense ratio even comes down much better, less than 2%. It will be 1.75%. So the ultimate point is that if the fund starts growing, if the fund is getting more funds, automatically the expense ratio also will come down a bigger level. So it doesn't mean you are going to stay invested in this higher expense ratio for a longer period of time. Okay, so if your investment horizon is 5 years, at the time of exiting you may have even expense ratio of 1.5% or 1.6%. That is the kind of growth any fund will have. So hope you got the thing. So if you are looking for an NFO, if you want to invest in something and forget about it for next 5 to 6 years, maybe this is one fund you can look at. And it's a small cap category. Right now the valuations are high, but things are going to change over a period of time, and we may never know. So any small cap has done extremely good. Axis, or it's a proven category wise. If you look at Axis or a Nippon small cap fund, or any for that sake SBI small cap fund, these are all top performing funds in small cap category. And PGIm is coming up with their own category called small cap, and just for diversification in their portfolio. Till now they had only large cap and mid cap opportunities and tax saver funds, and that is the reason PGIm is launching a PGIm small cap fund. If you are somebody looking out for NFO, if you are somebody who wants to invest in a small cap fund, please go for it. And thank you so much for watching. And this is a educational video and it's not a recommendation. So purely invest based on your advisor, based on your recommendation from advice from your registered investment advisor. I'm a AMFI registered mutual fund distributor. Thank you so much for watching.